mean, we are 30, 40 miles from land in any direction, and it is just so glass calm. I'm standing here on the swim platform, and it looks like I'm just floating. And this water is just, it's so calm out here. It's really weird.
Leaving Bimini, heading over to the Northwest Channel, where we are going to anchor outside of it. So it's about 8 to 10 hour sail, depending on our speed, right? Maybe.
Yep.
About 8 to 10. It's about 10 hour sail to where we want to anchor, and then we are leaving. We are leaving tomorrow morning at 4 a.m. to head over to Nassau. We're gonna duck out there for some pretty strong weather, and then we have to fix our dinghy because the motor crapped out, or outboard, whatever you want to call it.
Yeah, the outboard.
So we'll be there for a few days before we head over to the Exumas. Can I tell you, this water is beautiful. And also we had a bunch of, they said bull sharks, but I'm not so sure, swimming under our boat in Bimini. So that was kind of cool because the water is crystal clear there. Arthur's chilling, assuming the position. And then we got our friends Valhalla behind us. They are sailing with us, and we met them in Marathon actually a few weeks ago. So we became friends, and we decided to buddy boat over to at least Nassau, but they're heading down to the Exumas as well. So probably hang out with them for a bit.
It should be a good trip. Pretty calm. We're just gonna motor, anchor, motor again. Get to Nassau before nasty fronts coming down. That's our goal. No wind at all. We're motoring at 6.5, and we got 5 knots on our nose, which means we got about 6-7 knots that we're going against. We're going with. Motoring, it's loud. I'd rather sail, but this is nice. Calm, easy.
Beautiful water.
Beautiful, like clear water. It's insane. It's like 20 feet deep, and like you can just look right down to the bottom. Absolutely gorgeous. Really? It says it's for sailfish, marlin, dolphin, and tuna.
Yum.
I'll take any of those.
Hell yeah.
I don't even care. I'll take any of them.
The Adventures of King Arthur.
Look at King Arthur as he embarks on his first big oceanic journey. This will be the first time this young king has ventured this far from the safety of his humble kingdom. But any experienced sailor knows it's only a matter of time before this greenhorn begins the emotional progression through the 14 stages of passage acceptance. Excitement, curiosity, concentration, anxiety, fright, nausea, loss of appetite, mild hunger, uncontrollable hunger, sadness, boredom, drowsiness, sleep, and of course, pure happiness. It's good to be king.
So we are about halfway across the banks between Bimini and the Northwest Passage, Northwest Channel, and it's quite a long haul. Initially our plan today was to get all the way to the Northwest Channel where it goes into the deep water, and then tomorrow take the last run to Nassau. But it's absolutely gorgeous out here. It's really calm. So we've decided to, we had some nice winds today and we were just sailing nice and easy, 4 or 5 knots. We weren't gonna make it to our destination by sunset. We got short days right now. So we're gonna drop our hook over at Mackey Shoal. We got another boat with us, Valhalla, and we're just gonna hang out, have a cocktail and make dinner, and we got really good weather. We're gonna use it, you know. No sense in spending that time in Nassau. And so we'll have a short sail tomorrow, and then the following day we'll make the run over to Nassau. Figure, how often is it that we get the opportunity to pretty much just anchor in the middle of the ocean when it's this calm and shallow and absolutely gorgeous. So we'll go drop the hook, have a swim and a drink and some dinner, and yeah, enjoy it. Pretty amazing. We love this. Arturo, you wanna go swimming? Huh? You wanna take a swim? You wanna feed the sharks? Yeah, you do.
Nicely done.
That's good. That's good.
So I just woke up. I mean, we are 30, 40 miles from land in any direction. And it is just so glass calm. I'm standing here on the swim platform and it looks like I'm just floating. And this water is just, it's so calm out here. It's really weird. It's super cool.
But I must try to figure it out alone. Yeah, I must try to figure it out alone. And now, ooh, when you're gone, ooh, I know things won't be the same.